Stop saying, okay.
Wait, what? Are you okay for literally everything?
Exactly. And that's the problem. It sounds boring, repetitive, and in some situations, it can even sound a little rude. Stick with us to the end of this video. I'll show you the exact replies native speakers use that sound completely natural and confident.
Okay. I guess I can't say okay anymore.
Exactly. Let's upgrade your vocabulary so you can start using these today.
Help us out by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us create more content for you.
Instead of okay, try saying, got it.
Got it. Oh, that sounds much more clear.
Or try, sure.
Simple and friendly.
When someone asks for a favor, use no problem or all right.
That feels so much more natural.
And my favorite when making plans, sounds good.
Wow, this is already so much better than just okay.
Quick question for you at home. Your friend says, let's meet at 6. What do you reply?
Okay.
Better answer. Sounds good.
Yeah, that sounds way nicer.
If you want to sound extra friendly and polite at work or with friends, use these. Instead of okay, say sure thing.
That sounds very confident.
Or of course.
Nice and polite.
If you agree 100%, say absolutely.
Wow, that sounds powerful.
And if someone asks you to finish a task, just say done.
Short and strong.
You're doing great so far, but this next group of words, this is exactly how native English speakers talk every day.
I'm ready. Tell me.
Instead of okay, say gotcha.
Oh, I've heard people say that in movies.
Or no worries.
That sounds super natural.
How about works for me or simply cool?
Simple but stylish.
Let's test these in real life. Your boss says, send me the file. What do you reply?
Okay.
That works, but it's plain. Better reply, got it, I'll send it.
Yeah, that sounds way more professional.
Quick, your friend says, I'll call you later.
All right, talk to you later.
Perfect. What if your teammate says, let's finish this today?
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Look at you. Last one. Someone says, can you help me?
Of course, I'll help.
Exactly. Okay is not wrong, but these replies make you sound fluent and confident. Time for the real conversation test. Let's see if you can do this without saying the forbidden word.
I'm ready.
Catch you later.
Sounds good.
Send you the details.
Got it.
Can you help me with this?
Of course.
I might be a little late.
No worries.
We can meet tomorrow instead.
Works for me.
Please review this file.
Sure thing.
Did you understand everything?
Yes. Gotcha.
I'll call you later.
All right.
Let's finish this today.
Absolutely.
Great job! So, will you ever say okay again?
Nope. Never.
Okay?
Hey, you just said okay.
I got it. Drop your favorite new reply in the comments below.
And make sure to subscribe to Speaker of English for more easy, practical English lessons. See you next time.